everyone, it's Phoenix here from TPAS Cymru. I'm the project officer based here in our Cardiff office. Just making a quick video today to update you on how we're doing with our pledges that we made for the Thai Power Leader Like Me campaign. We made 2 pledges back in April. First was to create at least 1 shadowing opportunity, and the second was to create at least 1 opportunity for someone to undertake training and learn new skills. So since we made the pledges, we've delivered training across Wales to numerous tenants, making sure they're gaining new skills and new experience. This is something we want to continue doing, and we're going to be looking at finding new ways to offer free training for tenants as well through our events and networks. We also have a volunteer working with us, Anne, and she's been able to undertake various shadowing opportunities in finance, administration, marketing, and more recently using digital and social media. I myself have had opportunities to shadow the director and our deputy director at events and doing things that I wouldn't normally get the chance to be part of as part of my role with Welsh Government, etc. So it's been really rewarding and something we will continue doing. Going forward with the campaign, we've got lots of ideas, and we'd really welcome tenants being involved, coming into our workplace, creating more shadowing opportunities. We hope that everyone else is doing really well with their pledges. If you haven't heard about the campaign before, please have a look on Thai Power's website under Leader Like Me, or by searching on Twitter under the hashtag Leader Like Me. It's an absolutely fantastic campaign, really worthwhile, and something that will definitely benefit the housing sector going forward. So yeah, thank you very much.